In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell your YouTube shorts to other creators in 2025 and turn simple editing into a paid side hustle, even without a big channel. Here's the idea. Instead of stressing over growing your own audience, you can actually get paid by creators who already have one, but don't have the skill or time to edit. I'm Erin, and this is Side Hustle Mastery, and I'm going to walk you through the exact system I use step by step. Creators live and die by consistency. If you want to grow on YouTube in 2025, you have to post shorts all the time, weekly, sometimes daily. But the issue, most creators just aren't editors. Some hate editing, some don't have the time, and honestly, a lot of their edits look rough. And that's where you come in. They've got ideas, they've got hours of long videos, but they don't have polished shorts. You're the one who turns their raw content into clean, scroll-stopping clips. Think of it like this. Shorts are the gas that keeps their channel running, and you're the gas station. They need you if they want to keep moving. Why it's perfect in 2025. Shorts are directly tied to monetization now. That means creators actually make money off them. So paying you $49 or $149 to edit is a no-brainer if it helps them reach more people. And here's the kicker. Millions of creators are experimenting with shorts, but only a small fraction are posting consistently with clean editing. And you don't need expensive software to compete. Tools like CapCut are free and more than enough to make shorts that look professional. People love to say editing is saturated. It's not. Fancy cinematic edits are competitive, sure, but fast, clean, branded shorts, that space is wide open. Why creators actually pay. Here's something most people don't realize. Creators don't just want help with shorts, they need it. YouTube's algorithm rewards consistency, and if a creator misses a week, their growth slows down. Their reach takes a hit, and it's stressful. So when you offer a $49 starter pack, you're not just giving them videos, you're giving them back their time, their momentum, and honestly, their peace of mind. And that's the real value here. You're not selling them clips, you're selling them consistency. What we'll cover today. Here's what we're going to cover step by step. Picking your offer and prices, making 3 sample shorts, building a 1-link portfolio, setting up a simple intake form, creating a clean checkout page with SamCart, posting daily offers and sending quick DMs, delivering fast so clients stick around, and how to add upsells once you've got traction. And along the way, I'll show you the tool I use for checkout, SamCart. The link is in the description. That's an affiliate link, no extra cost to you, and it helps me keep making guides like this. Step number 1, pick your offer and prices. So let's start simple. Pricing has to be very easy to understand. And here's the model I use. Starter pack, so 3 shorts for $49. A pro pack, 10 shorts for $149, monthly 12 shorts for $179. That's it. And why does this work? Because too many freelancers overcomplicate things. $20 per clip, $5 for captions, $10 for resizing. Listen, clients don't want a math problem. They want a quick yes. Keep it flat and clear. And once you got your demand, raise your price $10, $20 at a time. Step number 2 is making 3 sample shorts. Next, you need proof. Don't overthink this, just 3 samples are enough. You want to open CapCut, edit 3 clips that are around 20 to 35 seconds each, and then trim out the long pauses, add captions, export them in phone format, save them as sample 1, sample 2, and sample 3. This isn't about perfection, it's really about showing clients, yeah, I can do this. And that's all you need to get the ball rolling. Step 3, build a 1-link portfolio. Now package those samples into something clean. Upload your samples into Google Drive, set it to anyone with the link, viewer, and grab the link. This way, when someone asks you for your work, you can send the link with no messy attachments, no hang on, let me find the files, just one clean link. Step number 4 is intake form. This is a lifesaver. Stop chasing clients in DMs. What you want to do is open Google Forms. Once you open Google Forms, you want to start a new form and then title it Shorts Order Form. And then you want to go ahead and add fields, so it can be name. In this case, it'll be email, YouTube channel link. And I'm going to go ahead and create more. Source video link, brand colors, and caption style. So what's great about Google Form is it automatically populates it to short answer text. And why this matters is every client gives you exactly what you need up front. So there's no, hey, can you resend the link? No, what colors do you want? Because everything's already included. Now let's talk about the money side. You need a clean checkout page. I use SamCart for this, and if you want to follow along, the links in the description. It's an affiliate link with no extra cost, and it helps to support the channel. Here's what SamCart is. It's a platform that gives you a professional checkout page, and instead of random PayPal or Venmo messages, clients see a polished payment page with your offer, and that's what makes you look legit. Some guided features overview is their sell anything, so you could set up your shorts editing service as a product. An example is YouTube Shorts Starter Pack. And there is also a sell anywhere, so you can grab a checkout link and drop it in DMs, emails, or your portfolio page, and it makes paying frictionless. We also have scale your profits, so you can add upsells like $5 shorts for $69 or rush delivery for $29. Clients can click once and buy more. And for manage your business, you can track who paid, see analytics, and manage clients in one place. This helps you know when to raise prices or bundle extras. Why this matters? You're not just editing shorts, you're running a mini business. SamCart makes you look professional and keeps everything organized. Step 6 is you want to post daily offers. So here's the part most people skip. You actually have to show up. Post one small offer a day where creators hang out. It could be YouTube community tab, Twitter replies, Instagram stories. Keep it short, and you can say 3 shorts for $49, DM shorts for samples. That one line is enough. One post a day is plenty. You just need to stay visible. Step number 7 is you want to DM scripts. So here's exactly what to say when you DM someone. So the first DM is, here are my samples and the link. I do 3 shorts for $49, 48-hour delivery. Checkout is here, and then you would put your SamCart link. Then you want to do a style check. So send me one long video with brand colors and I'll match your vibe. Lastly, you want to attach pricing info. So starter equals $49 for 3. Pro is $149 for 10, and delivery would be in 48 hours. That's it, short, polite, and to the point. Step 8 is deliver fast and clean. When someone orders, fast delivery is everything. Send them 3 MP4 shorts in a Google Drive folder, label the files clearly, so it could be client name short01.mp4, and add a little note saying, here are your shorts, let me know one small tweak. 1 revision max, that way clients are happy, but you're not stuck re-editing forever. Step 9 is easy upsells. Once you've got clients, add small upgrades. You can add 5 shorts for $69, custom captions in brand colors for $19. You could do a rush 24-hour delivery for $29. These upsells don't add much time, but they add a lot of profit. Quick recap, you picked your offer, made 3 shorts as samples, built a 1-link portfolio, set up an intake form, created a checkout with SamCart, posted daily offers and DMs, delivered fast with 1 revision, and you added upsells. That's the whole system. It's simple, it's repeatable, and it works. Here's the big picture. Selling YouTube Shorts isn't about chasing subscribers. It's about helping creators stay consistent without burning out. Creators need momentum, and shorts keep their channels alive. And you're giving them a way to stay consistent at a price that makes sense. That's why this side hustle works. And if you want to try SamCart, the link's in the description. It's an affiliate link. Again, no extra cost. And it helps me keep making step-by-step guidelines like this. If this gave you a clear next step, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Who's the first creator you'd pitch your shorts to? I read them and I try to help. That's it from me, Erin with Side Hustle Mastery. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.